All right. Question asks us to write the equation for both the red line here and the blue line. So for the red line, it is a horizontal line. So all we do is we know it's going to be y equals, and it's going to be whatever the y value is on that horizontal line. So you can see it crosses the y-intercept at 0, -1. But no matter where you go on that line, the y coordinate for every point on that red line is -1. So we just say y equals -1. For the blue line, it's a vertical line. So we look at every value on that, every point on the blue line. The x coordinate is -7. No matter where you go, it's -7. The y value can change, but x is always -7. So the equation for the blue line is x equals -7. That's it. So that's it for the naming vertical and horizontal lines. You just need to remember horizontal line, y equals -1, or y equals whatever that value is. And a vertical line, it's going to be x equals whatever the x coordinate is for the points on that line. Okay, the next question ties into this. It says, what's the slope of those lines? All right, so the slope of the red line is a horizontal line, is the slope is 0. Now that makes sense. Remember y equals mx plus b? Well, we know b is -1. So isn't that really y equals 0x minus 1? But we don't need to, since it's 0x, no matter what you plug in for 0, what you substitute the value in for x, you're going to get 0 for that quantity, right? 0 times any number is 0. So we don't need to write the 0x. That's why the horizontal lines will always be just y equals -1. So it's what you already know with slope-intercept form. It really is. It's just that we have 0 as a slope value. Now, the blue line is the bugaboo. So the blue line is a vertical line. The slope is undefined for a vertical line because you think of rise over run. Well, no matter what you want to do here, if we rise so much, we're going to run 0. So in mathematics, you cannot divide by 0, which is what would occur there. So it is undefined, and so it doesn't have a slope. We just call it undefined slope. And that's why it's always going to be x equals in the equation. It's undefined. All right, so you just need to memorize that. That should be a quick little target. Just got to memorize it, celebration of what you know.